Okay, so we'll teach you how to adjust the throttle or adjust the settings on the throttle of the 08. Right, so go into settings mode, press and hold the two buttons. Now you go into settings mode, it toggles from P0 all the way to P9. Right, so at P0, right, this is the inches of the tire. How many inches? So it goes back if you don't do anything to it. So just to get back in, you just press and hold again. So 4 inches, right? So we want to adjust it to 8 inches, which is the correct tire size. Right, so you can go up or go down. So yeah, so 8 inches is what the 08 is, right? So to save it, press and hold again, right? And then you save it. Go back in, press and hold, 8 inches. Okay, next mode would be P1, right? This is 41.5 volts. So this is a 48 volt scooter. So 41.5 volts is like minimum cutoff voltage. So that means that if the voltage of the scooter goes below 41.5 volts, the thing would shut off or would cut off the power to the motor, right? So that's just a safety setting. Now, you don't have to touch this. This should be in factory setting. So go to the next mode. This one you don't have to worry too much about it. Right, so P3, P4, all this you don't have to worry. These are okay. So this one's the power setting. So this is important. Press and hold the M button, right, to go into the adjustment mode too. Again, all right. So 100 means 100% of the power. Okay, so let's toggle through. Right. Okay, so 100% of power. Let's say if you want you want to limit the speed and limit the power, right? You can adjust it downwards, right, to wherever 50%, and you can save it by pressing and holding the two buttons again, right? So you'll go into you'll save the setting that you last set. Okay, so it's 100% now. Toggle through 9. PO9 is the electronic brake setting. Let's go into that. Oh, okay, so press and hold the M button to go into settings mode. So there are 3 levels. There's 0, 1, and 2. 2 is the second setting. The 2 setting is the most powerful electronic brake. If you want the electronic brake to be slightly reduced, you can put 1, right? So 1 or 0. So this is the strength of electronic brake, right? To save it, press and hold the M button, right? Toggle through. Yeah, this is tire size. So there you have it. The settings that you need to be worried about or concerned about is the tire size. Okay. The voltage you don't have to be, and really the power setting, right, and the electronic brake setting, right? So about 3 settings you got to be concerned about. That's it.